What's up, guys? It is Monday, November 28th. It's 11:36 a.m. and this is the crypto market update. So we're going to look at the signals and then we'll pull up the charts with them. So right now we got XRP against Songbird 3-hour buy now. Let's see how that's shaping out. All right, so we got that 3-hour buy now coming in on XRP against Songbird. You can see that we're already headed up from there, about like 8% up. Yeah, Songbird probably taking a breather. The whole market's taking a breather, so Songbird's probably getting hit a little bit more. And then if we go to some of the signals down here, let's see what Bitcoin's doing. We have a 7-hour prepare to buy soon and a 4-hour prepare to buy soon. So let's check those out. All right, so this 4-hour prepare to buy soon, you can see the last one that flashed. Once we got the buy now, we saw that the direction then switched over like that. Same with back here, we got to prepare to buy soon. As soon as we got the buy now, we kind of leveled off. So what I want to see is us hold these lows down here. We need to hold that 15,500, but at the very least, I want to see us hold the 786 Fibonacci retracement. So we grab here to the top, stretch it out. That's sitting around like 15,800, somewhere around there. Definitely would like to see us hold actually where we're at though. You can see if I put this horizontal line out, that's where we found mostly our support. Everything that kind of went down below it was a quick wick down, back up, quick wick down, back up. This one looked like it was actually going to go, but we actually maintained that low down here. We got back up, and right now it looks like we're doing a quick wick to pop back up. So where we're at right now, I want to see us hold. If we do go lower, I want to see us hold that 15,000. I think we said 700. Yep, 15,750 right over there. If we keep going down lower here, we can see that the 4-hour pair to buy soons did call these lows back here as well as back here, and now we have them right here. So we need to see some momentum come in to get that cross up on these bottom indicators to get that buy now signal, and we can say, hey, we're going to start to head back up here. So now if we go to the 7-hour chart, all right, so let us go to Ethereum, see what Ethereum's flashing. We see that Ethereum broke below the pink Fibonacci moving average. That's not the best sign there. We do have a 5-day market structure change and a 4-hour pair to buy soon. So let's pull up Ethereum right now. All right, so let's go to the XLM chart. If we go to the 4-hour, let's see where we're at. All right, so 4-hour chart, we have not gotten a prepare to buy soon on there. Let's see the 2-hour, and we have not gotten a 2-hour. Let's see about the 1-hour. All right, so we got a 1-hour prepare to buy soon. We got the buy now signal. If we now go to the regular candles, you can see we're getting a nice pop up right now. So it seems like we're going to turn over, but now we're getting the buyback. So things are looking good as far as that goes. You can see for XLM, we're starting to pump up a little bit here. And now if I go to XRP, yeah, so we're seeing a good strong buyback. This is a 1-hour chart closing like 2 minutes and 30 seconds basically. You can see that now we're seeing that action come in. So we got the long entry down here, and then we got the buy now signal. So things are looking good as far as that buyback popping in today. 2-hour chart, we're holding the 200 moving average here, the red moving average. And let's see if we got any signals coming in here. So nope, last time we got a signal was back here. So things are looking good as far as the short term. We seem like we're getting a nice strong buyback. Let's go to the 4-hour chart real quick. And then no 4 hours. So yeah, so things are looking good as far as we're holding this level. I'd like to see in the next 3 hours this Heikin-Ashi candle be green, and then have by the end of the day the follow-up candle that green as well too. If we go to the dollar, we can see that if we go to the daily, we came down to test the 200 moving average. We got a nice buyback from that level, and now we're seeing that we're above it. What I'm watching for the dollar on the daily is this TSI and MACD and the stock RSI. If we see something like this, where this continues to cross up, this goes all the way in, this crosses up, it's likely what we're saying about retesting on the 12-hour chart, that EMA ribbon is going to happen, which would be right up here now, which is around like 108 point or 109 basically. that area there. So that is looking like it's still going to be the case unless we really break back down here and break below the 105.36 level. You can see we touched it right here, and then here, that's where the 1 day 200 moving average is. We'd want to see that break. If not, and we keep coming up here, it's likely we're going to retest where we just were, back up to there, but it's likely we'll see a pop up further than that and then come back down like this. That's what I'm expecting that to play out. A bounce back up here, a rejection from this moving averages, then to come retest this area again, and that will be the ultimate break going into December. Then if we go to the bond yields, go to the daily chart, yeah, kind of similar looking price action. So I would say if we bounce up from here, we're going to see us go to like 3.9%. I do think we'd get rejected from that level. If we go a little bit higher, then we can go all the way up until like 4.10%. And at that level, we'd want to see the rejection come in. I still believe, and I'm still in the camp, that bond yields are going to come down. The dollar is going to come down, as well as I think the Bitcoin bottom is either in right now or we're going to see one more drawdown. But as far as where we're at right now, I want to see us get above that $16,700 level. That's something that this whole time here, ever since breaking down, was a key level of like resistance that once we got below it, like here, resistance, came back up, resistance. And yeah, so we have a clear channel that we need to watch. That is like 15,850 to 16,850. And we want to get above that so we can start retesting back up here, these levels. And we ultimately want to reclaim those lows that we set back here, which is around like 18,000. Well, it's actually the pink Fibonacci moving average. So let me pull that up. Yeah, so that pink Fibonacci moving average is sitting around $19,000. That's where we need to get back above to hold that support. That'd be a solid breakdown. As you can see, we broke down. If we can get back up here, claim as support, and then break up like that, you can see that trend line coming down like this, then that will bring us all the way back up to like 23 to 25,000, this area right here. So that's what we need to watch. And this is dependent on us holding these lows. We need to hold these lows down here first off. So let's now go to and see. All right, so this is crossing down. We do see the MACD still green. We see the TSI is crossed though up. So we just need to see some movement here. We don't want to see us break down any lower, because then that's going to have these cross back down. If we go to the weekly chart, since that closed, we can see that the stock RSI is now cooled off. What I'd like to see is us have a strong buy, strong kind of rip back up with the stock RSI. I don't want to see us kind of hang around here. You can see when we hang around here, that's not good. We have these type of moves happen. Hang around here, we have that type of move happen, right? So I want to see a quick kind of move back up, kind of like that, kind of like this, right? We don't want to hang down in these areas. We want to see the weekly stock RSI cross back up as soon as possible. Yeah, so that's what I'm looking for. TSI, we do see it's crossed down, but the MACD is still green. I want to see us cross back up with the TSI. I want to see the stock RSI cross back up hard. MACD stay green, and then we'll be all right. And then a reclaim on the weekly chart of the pink Fibonacci moving average at 19,000 flat. That's definitely what we're looking for. Then let me go back to XRP real quick. We're at 0.3855. If I go to the weekly chart, we came down with that wick yesterday to retest that key level that we said we wanted to hold, 0.375. So that's this level right here. And then where we really want to hold right now or get above is this level that we found a rejection point at with the weekly bodies, around 40 cents. We need to get above 40 cents. We don't want to break below the 0.375. If we do, then we definitely, like last card, to hold this 786, which is around 36 cents. That's what we want to hold, because even if we go out to the weekly chart, you can see that we touched this trend line since March of 2020. We held it right here, support all across this way. If we come back down, we break below 33 cents, it won't be good. So 33 cents is definitely the last stand. I want to see us hold 36 cents. And then ultimately, I want to see us hold above where we're at right now. 4-hour chart. Let's look at it and look down here. Yeah, we want to see the stock RSI cross up. We need to see the momentum build back up. If anything is going to happen now, you can even see that we have kind of like this trend line support on the RSI where whenever we have these kind of corrections, you can see that we have our drawdown, come up, correction back down. We have our pump back up, correction back down, pump back up, correction back down. And you can see it's the same similar structure, right? So if anything, I'd say this is where we find our bottom. You can see every time that happens, the blue goes over the pink and gets up into this area here. We found our bottom here, found our bottom. And if we're going to find our bottom, it's got to be in the next 4 hours here because everything is aligning for that to be the case. So we need to see the momentum come in and pop back up and ultimately get over that 40 cents and hold the end of the day here. 15-minute chart, you're seeing the momentum come in. So I believe that we're going to be able to do it. But if we do break it back down here, then we would target, that 36.5 cents. That's 36.5 cent level, which was a main key level that we've held as support here. That was that one that we said. So 36.5 right here. We were holding as support. Then when we break down below it, we had our kind of last kind of capitulation down, get back above, break below it, capitulation down, back above, break below it, capitulation down, back above, right? So that's where we'd want to hold over there. But right now it does look like we're popping back up. 30-minute chart, I want to see us reclaim that 200 moving average around, that's the 40 cent level that we need to get above. So that's it, guys. That's a crypto market update. First off, actually, let me just look at the Bitcoin dominance, go to the weekly chart. And right now we are still maintaining those lows. So Bitcoin dominance, we got to keep an eye on it because we're at a critical kind of horizontal support that if we break it and Bitcoin's going up, but Bitcoin dominance going down, then it's likely altcoins are going to be going up even more. So critical time in the market, especially because in 3 days here, we have the monthly closes happening. So I'll make a follow-up video about the monthly closes. We'll take a look at the high time frame weekly charts, monthly charts, and things like that to kind of gauge how this bigger time frame candles are shaping up. So I'll see you guys in that video.